Reduce wrinkles and restore vital moisture. Designed for nighttime use. Designed for nighttime, for drier skin types. Eterna 27 was used by hundreds of women in Europe and America for over 2 years, before it was made available commercially. There is no other cream in all the world like Eterna 27 at any price. And only Revlon can offer you this exclusive formula. Use Eterna 27 regularly and see why Revlon believes you will vastly prefer it to any other cosmetic cream. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent product. I've used this product at night for many years. I am now 82 years old and many people think I'm younger than I am. That may be genetic somewhat, but it is also this product helps keep my skin soft.